Alright, so in today's tech video, we are going to unbox this one right here. This is the Sceptre 27-inch monitor. Looks like that. I think that this is one of Amazon's most popular monitors in their store. So, because it's affordable, that's why. But this one here does have a 75 refresh rate, an edgeless design. As you can see on the picture there, looks like it's pretty good as far as going edge to edge on there. It's got the blue light shift and adaptive sync. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, see what it looks like. Okay, once you get this thing unboxed, this is what's inside. They give you a user manual, they give you the AC power adapter here, and a screwdriver, some bolts to get your monitor hooked up to the base here. This is the base. This is the neck that gets attached onto the base. And then they give you an HDMI cable, which is pretty nice. That way you don't have to worry about having to go out and get one. This is what the monitor looks like. I left a plastic on there because I don't want to get fingerprints all on there until I get it ready to turn on and everything. So I left the screen on there, but let's go ahead and get this all assembled and show you what it looks like when it's ready to be used. All right, so all you do is take that and then you just turn it and then it'll snap into place. Okay, just easily snaps in there and that's ready to be installed on the monitor. Okay, so this is what the monitor looks like from the back. Over here on the left side, you do have some controls. Your on and off switches there, and here's some of your different settings if you want to adjust like the color balances and stuff. That's where you'll connect the neck of the base. And on the back, you do have two HDMI ports, 75 hertz. You got the VGA cable port if you do hook up with a VGA. Audio in and out, because this particular monitor does have speakers, as you can tell, speakers there and there. And then it's got the spot where you hook in your AC adapter. Okay, so the neck it's put on there, and then you just screw in the screws until you feel it getting nice and snug. Okay, I got the VGA cable hooked in. I went VGA instead of HDMI only because there was already a VGA cable hooked into the computer, AC power adapter. But here's an interesting thing with this thing is you can rotate your monitor angle like that or tilt it that way for whatever way that you want to view it, make it look good. So let's go ahead and unpackage this thing. This is always the best part, unwrapping a Christmas gift. And reveal nice clean screen there, 27-inch Sceptre. Now the thing I do love about this is that edge display there. Look at how thin that bezel is. Nice. All right, we'll fire up the computer and see how it looks. So here it is when it's all turned on. I went ahead and just pulled up my channel trailer here, and this is what it looks like. That's a nice looking screen for this price of this budget monitor. So 27 inches. I think that this is a good recommendation for anybody that's looking for a budget monitor, maybe even like a gaming monitor to place like 1, 2. You can get 2 of these monitors side by side. That would be a really cool setup. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It seems to perform really well when it's showing video with the clarity on it. Really good. Yeah, it's not no QLED monitor by any means, but it's definitely a nice monitor. So yeah, hopefully this video is helpful to you. If you're looking to buy one of these, I'll have a link in the description down below. If you do like this video, put a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Until then, be creative.